Now, next practice set is depend on third step to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. So, for example, we will take first example of practice set 4. In triangle SAT, angle AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Measure of angle A is equal to 45 degree. Measure of angle T is equal to 105 degree. So in this example, see here, measurement of two angles and the side included by them is given. म्हणजेच दोन अँगलमध्ये जी साईड येते त्याचं मेजरमेंट दिलेलं आहे आणि दोन अँगलचं मेजरमेंट दिलेलं आहे. तर या दिलेल्या माहितीनुसार आपल्याला हा ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचा आहे. तर त्यासाठी आय हॅव ड्रॉन रफ फिगर हियर. In example, side AT, which can be taken as a base. This side is given of 6.4 centimeter. Measurement of angle T is given 105 degree. Obviously, it will be obtuse angle. See here, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle of which measurement is greater than 90 degree. So we will take approximately 105 degree here. Then angle A is acute angle, that is 45 degree, less than 90 degree. So it will be here. This is rough figure. So for construction, so now in construction I have drawn side AT of 6.4 centimeter, which is the base of the triangle. Now angle T, we have to take angle T is of 105 degree. So keep midpoint of protractor on point T. Properly keep that midpoint on point T. Now see here, line is on left hand side. AT ही जी लाईन आहे ही T पॉईंटच्या लेफ्ट हँड साईडला आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला इथून काउंटिंग सुरू करावं लागेल. 105 डिग्री घेण्यासाठी आपल्याला लेफ्ट हँड साईडने काउंटिंग सुरू करायचं आहे. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 105 means 5 lines next to 105 lines. So it is 105 degree. Draw one point here. Then draw this line. Ray. This is a ray. Now keep midpoint on A. Now here we have to measure angle A 45 degree. See in the figure. This angle A we have to take 45 degree. So keep midpoint of protractor on point A. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Now line is on right hand side of the point A. AT ही जी लाईन आहे ही साईड आहे ही A पॉईंटच्या राईट हँड साईडला आहे. त्यामुळे आपण राईट हँड साईडने काउंटिंग सुरू केलं. 0 to 45. मार्क द 45 degree and draw a ray. So now draw a ray at 45 degree and this is 105 degree. Students, these two lines you have to extend till you not get the intersecting point of these two lines. So this is point the S. So this is the required triangle is AT, where angle T is of 105 degree, angle A is 45 degree and side AT is of 6.4 centimeter. So in construction of triangle, next step is to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. Means here we have to construct triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle. What is meant by right angle triangle? In a triangle, one angle is of 90 degree. That means right angle triangle. So give in that construction we have to we will provided with hypotenuse. And so For the explanation, we will take first example of practice set 5. That is, in triangle MAN, measure of angle MAN is equal to 90 degree. Length AN is equal to 8 centimeter. Length MN is equal to 10 centimeter. So first we will draw rough figure. See, I have drawn here rough figure. In this example, measure of angle MAN is given 90 degree. Means angle MAN, we can also call it as angle A. Angle A is of 90 degree. See here, I have taken angle A is of 90 degree. Then length AN is 8 centimeter. This is length AN, 8 centimeter. And length MN is 10 centimeter. So MN is hypotenuse in this triangle. What is meant by hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means the side opposite to that of right angle is called as hypotenuse. Remember, always we show 90 degree always in this way. But in this way we are showing the right angle triangle. Compulsory draw this icon for right angle triangle. So length AN is of 8 centimeters. So first of all draw base AN. I have drawn here of 8 centimeter. आपल्याला ट्रायंगलचा बेस AN हा 8 centimeter ड्रॉ करायचा आहे. Now angle A is of 90 degree. Keep the midpoint of protractor on point A. Take 90 degree. प्रोटेक्टरच्या हेल्पने आपल्याला 90 डिग्री अँगल घ्यायचा आहे. इथे मार्क करायचं. नाउ ड्रॉ द रे AN. Now see in the figure. This side AN we have to take of 10 centimeter. So with the help of protractor. So with the help of compass we have to draw this line MN of 10 centimeter. So measure 10 centimeter with the help of scale. Keep still head of compass on point N and draw arc on the ray, on this ray. You can call it as a suppose 80. So draw arc at 10 centimeter distance from end point like this. So you will get here intersecting point. Now suppose this point M, required point M, ये ट्रायंगल का थर्ड पॉइंट है. Now join this side. So this is the required triangle where angle A is of 90 degree, side AN is of 8 centimeter and side MN, which is hypotenuse, is of 10 centimeter. So what is first step? First of all draw base AN with the help of scale 8 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor draw this angle A is of 90 degree. Draw a ray. Then with the help of compass draw a ray like this from point N. So it will of 10 centimeter. So this is the required triangle.